understanding the phrase constant in English. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the English language to understand the meaning of the word constant. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of how to use this term in various contexts. Let's begin. Constant is an adjective that describes something that doesn't change or something that remains steadfast and unvarying. Think of it as the opposite of something that changes frequently. For example, the ticking of a clock is constant because it keeps going without stopping. Let's see how constant is used in a few example sentences. 1. Her constant support meant everything to me. 2. The North Star remains constant in the night sky. 3. He is under constant surveillance. From these examples, you can see that constant can refer to emotional support, an unchanging position, or continuous observation. Sometimes, it's helpful to know other words that have a similar meaning. Some synonyms for constant include steady, like a steady heartbeat; unchanging, like an unchanging landscape; invariable, like invariable traditions; fixed, like a fixed price. Constant can also be a part of some idiomatic expressions in English. Here are a couple. 1. In constant touch. This means regularly communicating with someone. 2. A constant thorn in one's side. This refers to a continuous source of annoyance or trouble. I hope this deep dive into the term constant has made its usage clearer for you. Remember, English is a vast and rich language, and every word has its own unique charm. Keep learning. Until next time, happy studying.